Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Today I will show you how to make yogurt at home with green chili. Gather ingredients: 1 liter whole milk, 2 tablespoons yogurt starter, 1 green chili. Use whole milk for creamier texture and a thicker final yogurt result. Trim and finely chop the green chili about 5 inches long and 5 grams. Boil milk to 85 C to denature proteins, then cool to 43 C before adding starter. Keep thermometer accuracy and avoid contamination by using clean utensils and jars. Once milk reaches 43 C, stir in 2 tablespoons of active yogurt starter evenly. Add the chopped green chili and mix gently to distribute heat and flavor. Pour mixture into 1-liter jars and seal them to maintain warm incubation. Incubate at 43 C for 6 to 8 hours or overnight for tangier taste. Use an insulated cooler or oven with light to keep temperature stable within 5 degrees. Avoid jostling jars during incubation to prevent whey separation and uneven texture. After 6 to 8 hours, move jars to refrigerator to cool and stop fermentation. Chill for at least 4 hours before serving for best firmness and flavor. Taste and adjust salt or mix in 1 teaspoon lemon juice if needed. Green chili adds mild heat and aroma. Remove seeds to reduce spice by about 25%. Store yogurt up to 7 days at 4 C and use clean spoon to avoid contamination. Refrigerate leftovers promptly and discard if off odors, separation, or mold appear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.